Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2022 Case IH 4412F folding cornhead. I'm here in chopping cornhead. I'm here in Amboy, Illinois. We traded it in last year about this time. It didn't run in season 24, so it's a 22. I think it only ran 22 and 23. It may not have even made it in 22 for all I can remember. Overall, pretty good looking head. I mean, it's been sitting, but the things that you normally look for on like these collars or these couplers are in good shape. They're not rounded. I'm sure these are original knives on both ends. Now, the chopping knives I'm sure are original. We'll have this will get it fired up here and unfold it for you. And everything is solid on it. It's got the wand for the sensor, grow sensors. None of the hoods are dented or busted up that I can see. And we'll fire it up here. Whoop. He's got to get it all the way down. There we go. Yeah, we'll get it fired up here. Running like a child should. So this is exactly what you got. We'll refold it and put it back into transport position, so you can see it go back into fold or into the transport position. Knives look really good on this side. Now these are, I mean, everything is original. I think this thing did only 1 year. So I know the bargain hunters out there will want it cheap, but this is not one that's been over 10,000 acres. I would guess it was between 25 to 3. I'd be amazed. All right, you got to fold it back up and we'll put it back into the lineup. Thank you. Appreciate you taking the time.